These are the Edifier X5 True Wireless Earbuds. They are budget-friendly earbuds that pack a lot of features such as the Dual Mic Noise Cancellation, Qualcomm Aptx Audio Decoding, Bluetooth 5.0 version, and much more, all at a reasonable price. Here in Nigeria, it costs 11,500 naira on Jumia, which is equivalent to about $28 US, and it is also available in two colors, white and black. So if you are interested in buying this, please check the link in the description below to get one. Thanks for that. This is not a review unit as I bought this Edifier X5 myself. This way I'll be sharing with you how this Edifier X5 fares in the last few weeks. Without taking much of your time, let's get down to business. It comes in a nice looking package with X5 word and Qualcomm Aptx underneath. By the side of the box, you find the features, and at the back, you find the specifications of this earbuds written in many languages. Let's go to the Edifier X5 unboxing. Opening the box, you are greeted by a soft cleaning material for the earbuds, and next comes the earbuds and the case in separate housing. This is done so that it won't discharge during shipping. As usual, charge before the first time use. Next comes the USB Type-C cable with a moderate length for charging, 2 extra earbuds for large and smaller ears, the user manual written in many languages, and lastly, a small pack of carbon deodorant. Please dispose carefully. And that is pretty much it in the box. To the design, the case has a matte finishing and a glossy shiny top with Edifier branding on it. As you can see, the plastic case has taken a lot of scratches in the first few weeks of usage. Using a Type-C port as a charging port, it gets completely charged in less than 2 hours. Under the case, you find some information there. The ergonomic canal fit design of this earbud doesn't overlay too much in my ears. And the protruding part of this earbud design gives it a classic look, and maximum comfort is guaranteed with it. No pains, discomfort, or dropping anyhow whatsoever. To the connection, this black guy runs on Bluetooth 5.0 version and uses AAC, SBC, and Qualcomm Aptx as their connection codecs. So, Edifier X5 pairing is just a breeze. With that being said, it works fine with both Android and iOS devices. It has a strong Bluetooth connection of 10 meters, but after that, you start noticing some clipping in sound. One more thing you need to know is that it has single board mode, which means you can use one earbud while the other one is charging in its case, and vice versa. For the latency side, if you are watching YouTube videos, Netflix, Roku TV, then you won't notice any lag or audio sync issue. When it comes to the Edifier gaming test, playing casual games like Temple Run, Candy Crush, Subway Surfers, you won't notice latency at all. It is so smooth. But when you are playing high graphic demanding games like Call of Duty, PUBG, Free Fire, and so on, you will notice a little bit of latency during your gameplay. So have that in mind. Now, let's talk about the battery life. Edifier claims that these X5 earbuds can give 6 hours of playtime and 15 hours from the charging case. From my testing, I was able to get 8 hours and 14 minutes playing music only at 75% volume. This is simply amazing. And for the battery information, the Edifier X5 has 50 mAh battery for each of the earbuds and 500 mAh for the charging case. More about the comfort side. This is a very comfortable earbud for me, and please take this with a pinch of salt. What I find comfortable for a medium-sized ear like mine may be inconvenient for you, so keep that in mind. Moreover, you have extra ear tips to check which size gives you the maximum comfort, so try that out. Diving into the waterproof information, these earbuds are IP55 rating, which means light showers, sweat during exercise are not a problem at all. Now to the control department. They are using touch sensors. Yes, the Edifier logo part. They are very sensitive to taps. For example, single tap for the pause and play function. Same applies to accepting and ending calls. Double tap will skip to the next track or next movie. While press holding for 2 seconds will summon to your smartphone voice assistant. From my testing, the earpiece on this Edifier earbud gives passive noise cancellation. And to the call quality, this is how it sounds. Hey guys, Babatunde Motao here. So this is the sound test, quality test of the Edifier X5 earbud. So this is what you'll be getting if you are buying one right away. and I'm right on the road. It's quite a bit breezy, and the cars are running by. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2. Now, when it comes to the sound quality of this Edifier X5 earbuds, I can say it's in between the bass and the tremble. It's not too loud and it's not too low, so it's just in the middle of both worlds. So if I'm to rate this, I'll be giving it 7.5 out of 10, which is still okay. But one thing I don't like about this earbud is that it has this blinking lead even when it is connected, which I think Edifier should, make changes to that. Anyways, it depends on personal preference. And with that being said, are you going to buy it? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you are new here, please remember to give us a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Peace.